Hi everyone, I'm Jody Yerlitz. I'm an Early Learning Facilitator from MFNERC, and I'm here to do another hands-on activity with you for this week. So this week we're going to do Cornstarch Magic. It's a messy sensory activity. It's great for the science curriculum as well as math because it includes measurement. Language can always be used by getting the child to talk about each step and naming the product. So to start, we have one box of cornstarch, and I like to keep it in a Ziploc container because when you're done, you can just throw a lid on and kind of contain the mess. If you have a big bin, that could also work. If you put it in the bin in the sink to contain the mess, that will also work as well. So for this, I have, as I said, I have one box of cornstarch and I have 2 cups of water. And the water is purple right now because I mixed the same colored juice mix from last week into the water. If you don't have food coloring, just use a liquid juice mix, preferably with no sugar or anything added to it so it doesn't change the integrity of the mixture. So for this activity, the key is to pour the water in slowly. Most recipes call for 1 cup to 1.5 cups of water. Sometimes, depending on the day, you might want it a bit runnier, so you'd use 2 cups, but the key is to pour it in bit by bit while you mix, and only add a little bit at a time slowly. So we'll just start by slowly pouring a little bit in, and mix it if you can. So as you can see, it's already hard to stir because it goes from liquid to solid the whole time. And that's really what we want. Okay, so as you can see on the top, it's a nice liquid, but when you grab it, it turns into an awesome goop. That's exactly how we want it. If you leave it overnight and let it soak, it turns into more of a consistent slime form. You can always play with it like this and leave it for the next day. Or if you choose to wait, it's a great activity to make before bed. Get them to guess how it's going to look in the morning. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.